Ever stared at the blank page and felt completely stuck? Maybe you are thinking, I'm not a writer, or I'm terrible on camera, or I have no idea what to post on social media. Here is the truth that can change your life. Content is the engine of your affiliate marketing business. Without it, people can't find you. With it, stranger will trust you enough to click your links and buy. And here is the best part. You don't need to be a pro ou a tech wizard ou a extrovert to create it. Hi, I'm Frank Chanda. In lesson 3, we got people coming to your platform through free traffic strategies. Today, we are going to take the next leap, turning that traffic into loyal followers and paying customers using content. When I say content, I mean blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, emails, even short TikToks or Instagram reels. Every piece of content is a doorway into your business. And the more doorways you create, the more people can walk in. Think of content as a 24/7 sales assistant who never takes a lunch break. A blog post you publish today can still bring in visitors and sales for 5 years from now. A YouTube video you upload can show up in search results every day for months or even years. A web affiliate member named John published a blog post in 2018 about best camping tent for beginners. He hasn't touched it since. That one post still earned him between $200 to $300 every month, passive income from something he wrote once. When you have 10, 20, 50 of those pieces working for you, that is when your business starts feeling unstoppable. Many beginners tell me, Frank, I'm too shy to put myself out there. But here is what you need to know. You don't have to show your face on camera. You don't have to be a great writer. You just need to share helpful information. If you can explain something to a friend over a coffee, you can create content. Here is a secret weapon. With Affiliate AI Content Creator, you tap in your topic and the AI helps you write a blog post in a minute. You can edit it to sound like you, even if you hate writing. Members get credit every month to create thousands of words, sometimes enough for dozens of posts. This means you don't start from a blank page, you start from a finished draft. Let's make this practical. Imagine your niche is a home coffee brewing. Step 1, you pick a topic. Use Web Affiliate keyword tool to find something people search for. Maybe best espresso machine under $200. Step 2, outline it. Intro. Why is it hard to find a good budget machine? List 3 to 5 options with pros and cons and with your top recommendation. Step 3, write it or AI write it. With Affiliate AI tool can give you a 1.5 word draft in under 3 minutes. Step 4, add your affiliate links to the product. Step 5, publish and share on social media. Result, you now have a digital asset that can attract visitors for years. You don't need $1,000 camera. Your smartphone works perfectly. Pick a topic, how to frog milk without a espresso machine. Film yourself or just your hand doing the steps. Talk naturally like explaining to a friend. Keep it under 5 minutes. Upload with a keyword-rich title. If thousands of people watch it in a month and just 1% buy your $20 affiliate product at a 10% commission, that is $20. But here is the trick. When you have 20 videos, you multiply those numbers. One blog post can become a YouTube video, 3 TikTok or reel clips, a Pinterest pin, a Quora answer. This means one idea can bring you traffic from multiple sources without 10 times the work. Let's do some simple math. One blog post gets you 200 visitors per month. You have got 50 blog posts, that is 10,000 visitors per month. The conversion rate is 2%, that is 200 sales per month. The average commission is $20, that is $4,000 per month. This is why top web affiliate members eat $20,000, even $50,000 per month. They just keep creating content that compounds over time. You don't need to publish daily. Focus on consistency over intensity. One blog post a week is a 52 per year. One YouTube video every 2 weeks is 26 per year. Combine them and your traffic grows steadily. In lesson 5, we'll talk about choosing the best platform for your goals. Whether you love writing, speaking, or showing visuals, I will help you pick the platform that plays to your strength. Don't just think about creating content. Start today. Log into Web Affiliate, use your AI credit to draft your first post and publish it. That single action can be the seed for your future 6-figure income. Start with Web Affiliate today. Your AI content assistant is waiting.